Well, good morning. Hey, this is Sean. I'm back at the shop, and let's see, Saturday and Sunday, and maybe a little bit into Monday, we got about 2.5 inches of rain at the shop. So I'm working on the Remington 75,000 BTU diesel kerosene heater. Plugged it in, it would not ignite. Got an E1 error, and it's got all those codes, and it appears to be dripping diesel, and it's leaking into this valley, and it's dripping, let's see, somewhere down there. And it looks like it's dripping between the sheet metal, and I don't know what's going on, so we're gonna take this portion off and see what's cooking. Well, I got I don't know if that's considered the burner out. And I see that this hose is split, and that's the fuel line, so don't know if that's a problem, but it's a problem now. And I guess we'll have to get another piece of that. Have to dig a little bit deeper, I guess. Okay, Paige and I are back at the shop. It's supposed to be like 77 degrees today. And we're working on the Remington 175,000 BTU kerosene diesel heater. And, you know, finding the exact type of fuel line is kind of hard sometimes in a small town. So I got some, I'm going to guess this is 5/16 fuel line. It could be metric, I don't know. And then I got 5/16 splice. So instead of taking all this stuff off to find out how this hose goes through this shroud, and then it comes back up there, up through here, and it goes to this gauge, I just put a barbed fitting with some hose clamps, because I know it's under pressure because it's a fuel line. And we're gonna put this back together now. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in. Okay, rolling again. Let's see. Need to install the photo eye.
See a big old spider.
Spark plugs.
Grandpa, there's a yellow jacket on a piece of wood.
Yeah.
It's getting very close.
So this is why we save, those hose clamps for 40 years. We needed to find 3 small clamps, and we did. So I had to look at my old video to figure out what hose went to what fitting on this pump. And the one that goes to the gauge goes to this back one. One coming from I don't know if this siphons from the tank, goes to this front one here. Photo eye goes here.
Grandpa, is there things such as wood wasps?
Wood what?
Wood wasps?
I don't know.
Because I'm seeing a ton of wasps loving the wood up there.
Well, it's really warm out, and it's probably 10 degrees warmer in here.
Yeah.
Okay, so put this control panel back on. Okay. Don't know if it'll light with the cover off, but we'll try it out and see if we see any gas or diesel that's leaking out.
Is it gonna explode?
Here we go. Well, it works anyway.
Smoking though.
Well, it hasn't been used in a year, right?
Yeah. I see no leaks.
Well, let's,
Double check.
yeah, hang on. Okay, so we got the back cover on, we got the top on. Let's cinch down these or so screws. And we'll plug it in again. Good job, Harry.
Thank you.
I call that a win, a fix. Until next time, be careful, be safe, Rangers lead the way. Bye. Well, I see the mice have decided to make a home in my Snap-on toolbox. So we got a sticky trap on the front and the back side, and we'll see what happens. I bought this toolbox in 1984-ish. Still have it. Just have a few more. Grandson's got the gel blaster. Oh, to have fully automatic gel toys, every 11-year-old's dream. Okay, you guys have a good weekend. Bye.